Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any steps. So, let's dive right in. First up, open your Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner of the screen. When you click on it, this takes you to your profile page, where you'll need to scroll down and find the Snap Map section. Once you find it, click on it. Now, right here in the Snap Map, the first thing you need to do is make sure Ghost Mode is turned off. Tap on the settings icon at the top right-hand corner of the Snap Map. When you do that, you'll see an option to toggle Ghost Mode. Make sure it's turned off so your friends can see your location. You can choose who can see your location: my friends except, or only these friends. For this tutorial, I'm selecting my friends. Next, you want to make sure that Hide My Live Location is disabled. This setting, when enabled, hides your live location from your friends, which can prevent them from finding you on the Snap Map. So, make sure to turn this off. Now, let's open the Snap Map. Here, you can see your current location displayed. By zooming out, you can see all the nearby friends on Snapchat. Their Bitmoji or icons will show up on the map, making it easy to find them. To add a nearby friend, simply tap on their Bitmoji or icon. This brings up their Snap profile, and you can add them as a friend right from there. Another useful feature is Quick Share. You can share your live location with friends directly from Snap Map. Just tap on the settings, and then scroll down, and you will see Quick Share section. Now, here you will see many people. Now, click on the View More option, and you will see so many people. Now if you want to share your location, simply select the friends you want to share your location with. Simply click on the Share Live option near to the Your Friend. When you click on it, a new pop-up will appear. Now, it will ask you about your permission. To give permission, click on the Settings option. When you click on it, permission settings will be open in front of you. In the settings, click on the Location option, and then click on the Always. When you select Always, now, you can share your location. Simply go back to the Snapchat. Now, if you click on the Share Live option, your live location will be sent to your friend. And that's it. That's how you find and add nearby friends on Snapchat using Snap Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.